Hi friends, today I am with the Tecno POVA 5 Pro 5G. In this video, I am going to talk about the review of the smartphone. I will deep dive in each and every segment of the smartphone. So stay tuned with me. The video might be a little bit longer, but we will try to touch each and every aspect of the smartphone. So let's start the video. Now talking about the Tecno, the brand is pretty much known in India. If we talk about the design, it comes with a very futuristic design where you get the power button as a fingerprint sensor and also volume rocker keys on the top. In the back you can see the ARC interface, which is very much futuristic. It has a dual camera mount and also the flash on the side. On the top you are getting the speaker grills. If we talk on the other side, we are getting a slot, which is basically you get a dual SIM card slot which supports both 5G, and on the other side it will support the microcard SD slot. In the bottom we are also getting a 3.5 port, Type C charging port, and also the speaker grills. The speaker grills are mounted on the top and the bottom, and it supports high-res audio. Even the device also supports high-res audio wireless. Here is the slot where you can mount the two SIMs together parallelly, and also on the other side you can mount the micro SD card. So this is what the slot you are getting with the Tecno POVA 5 Pro 5G. It comes in two colors. There is dark illusion and silver fantasy. We got the dark illusion and definitely it looks pretty much premium. I like both the colors, but dark illusion will be my favorite to pick. Now, if we talk about few more things, it comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 6080 with 6 nanometer processor, and this comes with the 128 GB and 256 storage option. It comes with 8 GB of RAM, which is LPDDR4. It also supports 8 GB Fusion memory, which is virtual RAM. The display comes with a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display. It has a resolution of 1080 into 2460. It comes with the 2K video support with 60 FPS, which you can see on YouTube. If we talk about the refresh rate, it supports 120 Hz of refresh rate and 240 Hz of touch sampling rate. If we talk about the charger, what we get in the box is the 68-watt charger. The battery in the smartphone is 5000 mAh battery. I will show you the charging speed of the device. As the company claims, it charges 50% in 15 minutes. So I will do the charging and you can pause the video and check it. I will just fast forward the video so that you can have a proper look. In 15 minutes, yes, the device charges up to 50%, which is claimed by the company, so it is quite accurate. If you talk about the complete 100% charge, it took around 45 minutes. And the best part is that the device was not hot after charging so rapidly. Now coming to one more thing, it comes with the dual 5G supports. It supports up to 10 bands in India. I will show 5G in both the smartphone. As you can see on the top, both my Airtel and Jio SIM supports 5G. I will do a quick test. Currently the mobile data is on one Jio, which will show us the download and the upload speed. This will be for Jio, and the download and uploaded speed is done. Now I am switching the data from Jio to Airtel, which is a secondary SIM, and you can see the difference. But the best part is that both the SIM slots supports 5G, so it is a dual 5G supportable, and also it supports 10 bands in India. This you can see the results of the test what we have done for the 5G network. Now coming to one more thing, in the device you are getting an intelligent smart optimization. It gives you the smart network allocation, smart dual channel, even the smart 5G. So I will definitely recommend you to check these few things. These are completely coming through the OS. These are the OS feature what you are getting. When I connected the software, I got an update of 205 MB. I will definitely recommend you guys to update your smartphone before using. The smartphone comes with the iOS 13.1 based on Android 13. It has pretty much very cool features which I am not going into detail. But one thing I want to highlight is the backlight effect, which you can change manually also For incoming calls, there are few backlight feature, even including the notification light, startup, music, includes games, charging, low battery, mute when backside is up, and also there is light effect duration, which you have a default one which says up to 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. and you can also put into the custom mode. The custom mode, you can have a start and the end time for the light to glow, which is definitely a great thing. I will definitely ask you guys to check it out. If you have any questions regarding this, you can drop in the comment section. I will be happy to help you guys. In special function, I will jump to the next tab, which is lightning multi-window. This is basically for using the multi-window function. Then there is memory fusion, where you can change the memory from 3 GB, 5 GB and 8 GB. Currently I have put that to 8 GB. The next one is the smart panel, which comes on the right side. You can see the smart panel also, and you can play it around with that. It includes the recently opened apps, also screenshot, screen recording, notepad, calculator, screen lock, file manager. Many things are there in that. Now if we go, there is also the social turbo, which is a one function if you are using social media. Then there is a kids mode. You have a game mode, you can switch it on or off. You also get a I will show you the game mode separately. Then there is a app twin mode. You can twin the app, which includes WhatsApp, Facebook, those kind of apps. You can run two accounts together. The video assistant is basically you will get DND, no notifications will pop up while using it. Then there is a micro intelligence, which is basically for the quick start, tapping wake, music gesture, flip mute, raise to ear, lift to wake, answer the call. And there is also peek proof. You can check out the demo and learn how to use that. Then there is high OS lab, then there is accessibility. It has few more things, including the extra dim if you want. If you don't want the dynamic colors, you can switch it off. Even themed icon. So there are pretty things to try it out and check it. These are all coming with the high OS, which is 13.1, and it has too many features. I will definitely recommend you guys to check that. Even you can have few themes which are inbuilt. You just have to download. You need a proper internet connection and you can apply them. Currently I have already applied a theme on it. The software is very much fluid. I don't have any problem in using multiple apps together because of the 8 GB RAM and definitely also the 8 GB of virtual RAM. In this we are getting a fingerprint sensor on the power button, and you can do the fingerprint setup very easily. It will take less than a minute to do that. Even you can also register your face. So the face unlock and fingerprint both works like a charm. Here I will show you how the fingerprint is working and also the face unlock. So I will not get into the detail. Those things you can do very easily from your own side. If you go to the settings also, there is something with the personalization where you have the themes. You can try and check out the setup. The storage what we got is the 128 GB storage option. There is also a battery lab which will give you how to do the power saving, the ultra power saving mode also. If you talk about the software update, currently I have already updated it, and if you want to try the checkup, the last update what we got was on the June 5. This was the last security patch we got. Even the device also comes with one more thing, which is Ella, a voice assistant which will read your message, SMS, send message, read your call logs, contacts, microphone, location, notification. Everything can be done using Ella. And even I am showing you right now how it works, and if you want you can set it up by default. Let's try Ella. Turn on game mode.
Game mode is on.
Turn off game mode.
Game mode is off.
So this is how the Ella works, and you can try and play it out with it. If you have any question, definitely ask in the comment section. Now you also get one more app feature, which is phone boost. It can be helpful to clean your junk files and cache files from your smartphone. This is also a preloaded app which comes, so you don't have to install any third-party app to do these kind of small things. This is definitely a useful thing, and it comes with the high OS. Now coming to the fifth part, which is the camera and samples. If you see, the camera is highlighted at the rear panel. It comes with the 50 megapixel camera with the AI camera, the secondary one. So it comes with the 50 megapixel camera with aperture f1.6, which will give you a better night shots, and the camera samples I will definitely show you. If you talk about the front camera, it comes with the 16 megapixel AI selfie camera. It has an aperture of f2.0 with flashlight, and the front camera is also giving some good shots. If you see the camera app, you are getting few modes. The first one is the AI cam by default. It also has film, video, beauty, portrait, super night, sky shot, pro, panorama, documents for scanning, even dual video, super slow motion, time lapse, AR shot. So there are a few more things in this. If you go to the setting directly, there is shutter sound, grid, location, set the volume button, touch to capture, and also fingerprint shutter as default. So this is what we are getting in the settings. If you talk about the video quality, it can shoot up to 2K 30 FPS from the rear camera. In the rear camera, you also get an option of Full HD 60 FPS and Full HD 30 FPS. So which is definitely a great thing. If you switch to the front camera and the video section, in this the video quality is 2K 30 FPS, 100p with 60 FPS and 100p 30 FPS. And the front camera has some few more modes which you can check it. So definitely you can shoot 2K videos from the front and the back, including full HD 30 FPS or 60 FPS, up to your choice. Also you are getting a 720p option also to shoot from front and back. This is taken from the rear camera. The color scheme accurate. Also the front camera was good. Now I will show a video clip. Now this is a slow motion clip in which you get 120 FPS and 240 FPS options to record the video. Now the one of the biggest thing is the gaming. How good this device comes with the gaming. First of all, it comes with the game space where you add all the games. It will also tell you how much time you have spent. There are few things which you can try it out in the Panther engine. It includes height notification, health mode, game temperature control, increased footstep sound, and also optimized game graphics, resurrection countdown. There are too many things, you can try it and check it out. We have two games currently, which is Call of Duty and Battlegrounds India, to show the demo how it works. And in the settings also there are few things in the game mode. I will definitely ask you guys to try and check these things out. And when you start the game, you can see the game mode also kicks at the same time. If you see the temperature before starting the game, it is around 36 degree. I will show you the temperature also once we have played the game. So let's now play the game. But before that, I will also show you the graphics, what is supportable for Call of Duty. So here I went to the graphics, and the graphic quality is medium and the frame rate is high. This is the graphics what you get for COD.
Hardpoint identified. We tied for the lead. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Reloading. It's too close. Fight harder. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. We tied for the lead. Lost the lead. Hardpoint locked down. UAV online. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint identified. Capture the objective. Enemy shock RC is coming. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. says you got spotted.
Here you can see the Game Space app also tells us how much time we have spent on playing the game. Now let's play the second game, Battlegrounds Mobile India. For BGMI, for graphics it supports HD maximum, and for frame rate it is high. ভিডিও শুট করছি, পরে কথা বলবো।
I got supplies.
So I have played the game for a long time duration. After that, I will show you what is the temperature change for the device. The device now comes with the VC cooling, which is definitely a factor by which there is not much heat in the device. Also, one thing which I forgot, the device also does the 10 watt of reverse charging, which is also a great thing. It comes with the dual speakers. The gaming experience is definitely enhanced. It takes all the parameters of to be a great phone in under 15,000 budget. So smartphone is available on Amazon. There are two models, 8GB and 256GB, which is available for 15,999, and there is 8GB 128GB, which is available for 14,999. It will be coming in two colors, Dark Illusion and Silver Fantasy. If you guys have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. This is Vivek signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.